Hey there! In this video, I'll show you a ready-made Grasshopper cluster that'll help you create a customizable radius for designing your skate park. The curve always starts from the coping and can be tangent to the vertical axis at your desired height. It's also always tangent to the bottom plane horizontally and adjusts its radius as it goes up, meeting all skate park design standards. With the toggle on, the curve varies in classic intervals, stopping radius growth at 225, forming a standard quarter pipe that continues vertically. For full customization, you can set precise minimum and maximum radius intervals. As you can see, the height matches the markers exactly, but you can always tweak the shape as you like. The script allows you to set inverse values when the toggle is on. This feature helps design oververt shapes, fan cups and bowls. Adjust intervals, height, and toggle positions for the desired curve.
Don't go overboard with ideas to avoid conflicting values that might break the script. The last toggle gives you full control over the arc, unlike the classic quarter pipe. It's perfect for deep, uniquely shaped bowls. You can extend both vertical and horizontal sections as needed. With this script, you can create any radius, from mini ramps to massive 6-meter arcs for wild bowls. This bowl uses the Pro version, generating the entire shape from one coping line. The script handles variable depths and auto-adjusts for coping line features.